guys, I hope you liked this video. We really enjoyed going to Saaremaa with our kids, and these two places were pretty wild, especially if you go with younger kids. So if you plan to visit these trails, just make sure you take all of the security measures into account and all of the risks that you might face. The sea crossing trail to the island of Vilsandi is doable when the tide is low. Otherwise the water can get pretty deep and maybe too deep for the younger children. On the trail there's a map showing the various crossing points. There's one red icon where you can get as deep as a regular adult's chest. We actually saw a group of adult hikers who had a hard time finding the way through. At the Panga Cliff, just be careful, don't let your kids run around as the height can get pretty impressive. To get down to the beach you will have to use a rope, as you saw in the video. Some of the rocks look pretty loose, and just be careful of falling rocks. Otherwise, have fun and go visit these wild spots in Saaremaa. If you enjoyed this video, you can click the like button and subscribe for more nature hike videos. Have fun!